guys, this is not an episode. This is a live update to tell you about all the amazing things we've been up to. If you haven't put it together by now, a lot of what you've been watching from our first season is actually quite a ways behind, which is really good because just like you, COVID really interrupted our travel plans. But we're here in Australia. We've been having an amazing time going up and down the Great Barrier Reef, all the way from Cairns to Darwin, back to Cairns. Now we're actually in the Whitsundays, just living the cruiser life. But in that time, we've been doing some of the best diving that there is to offer, and we are so excited to share with you what we've been up to here in Australia. So we put together a really cool teaser trailer for our second season that's going to be coming out in May. We're going to be doing a live premiere for that, where we're going to watch that with you live, and we can answer any questions and comments you have. So you're going to be seeing that video pop up on your YouTube pretty soon here. And if you could RSVP to that and make sure you tune in with us at the same time, that way we can watch at the same time with you. But without further ado, here is our Australia premiere. Enjoy.
It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now. I spread my wings and fly into a sea of blue and white. Now with open eyes.
Would you care for some water? Fresh
And now I'm rising up and soaring high above it all. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now. Come fly with me, come fly away, come fly with me, come fly away, come fly with me, come fly away. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen.
We saw a dugong!
Experience it all. Experience the feeling.
So for the next couple of weeks, we have a bunch of bonus videos coming your way. Everything from Where's the Crew Now, some cooking videos, top 10 anchorages, top 10 dives, a lot of extra content that we're so excited to be releasing to you guys finally before our second season starts. So expect for the next couple of weeks our videos to be just a little bit different, not just so vloggy. So stay tuned. We're going to be releasing that season 2 premiere date on all of our social media networks so that you will know when you can watch that live with us. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your support, and we know you guys are going to love our Australia videos just as much as we love filming them. So can't wait to share it with you. See you guys next week.